Welcome back, friends, in my YouTube channel Microbial 2020. Now, I will talk on a topic non-parametric test. The non-parametric test is defined as the hypothesis test which is not based on underlying assumption. Underlying assumption, which means no any assumption. That is, it does not require population distribution to be denoted by the specific parameter. What population? It does not require the population distribution to be denoted by the specific parameter. That is, no population in this populations has no normally distributed. Then the test is mainly based on differences in medians. Medians, generally this test is depend on the medians, that is the middle value. Hence, it is alternately known as the distribution free test. Why this test is called as the distribution free test? Because in this there is no distribution. In this test, no parameter use, then no distribution. The test assumes that the variables are measured on a nominal or ordinal level, and it is used when the independent variables are non-metric. From this figure, non-parametric methods are used when we examine the sample statistic as representation of the population parameters when the distribution is Q. See, this distribution is a negative skew and this distribution is a positive skew, and the data is ordinal. This one is the ordinal, like rank data, and this one is a nominal, it is the status data. This non-parametric test is generally depend on the non-parametric test is assume the variables are measured on the or ordinal level nominal and ordinal level, and data not uh, normally distributed, but distributed by skew as a negative skew distribution and as the positive skew distribution. Then assumption. In this non-parametric test, no assumption. It is a non-parametric distribution free test technique. Make no assumption about the population. Okay. Near about the different test used in a non-parametric test. Some tests have the minimum one or the two assumptions in this in the non-parametric test. Then the fewer the assumptions, the more general are the conclusions. That is a this assumption requires the less information for calculation. The more powerful tests are those that have the strongest or the more extensive assumption. In parametric test, we have already seen about the more powerful statistic regarding this test for because this test have the assumption, but in non-parametric test no assumptions. Okay, this no assumption, that is, do not assume a regular bell-shaped curve of distribution. Also, this non-parametric test is a less powerful, and then as well as it is more robust. More robust, why? Because we used this test anytime and used any data, so more robust. And in this test, the results cannot be properly generalized. Then advantages of non-parametric test. These tests are distribution free tests. Okay. Then easier to calculate, learn and apply, as well as less time consuming than parametric test when the sample size is small. This test can be used with any type of the data and any time. Many non-parametric methods make it possible to work with very small samples, particularly helpful in collecting the pilot study data or medical researcher working with the rare disease. Mostly, these non-parametric test used in the um, medical researcher as well as the collecting the pilot study data. Then test. The different test hypothesis depend on the hypothesis. The non-parametric test have the two conditions. One condition is a one sample. Sorry, conditions are one sample and two sample. For one sample, the chi-square test, Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, Run's test, and binomial test. These four tests are used. Non-parametric tests are used for the one sample. Then two samples. Same for the parametric test. Two samples conditions are independent sample, hypothesis on the independent sample and on the pair sample. For independent sample, the non-parametric tests are chi-square test, Mann-Whitney test, median test, and Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. These four tests used for the independent sample. Then for pair sample, sign test, Wilcoxon test, McNamara test, and chi-square test. These four tests used for the pair sample. Here, in condition one sample and two sample, we found the chi-square test for one sample, chi-square test used for the independent sample, and chi-square test used for the paired sample. Why? Because these tests have the different forms, and different forms test used for the different conditions of the samples. Okay, now for more than two sample, which non-parametric test is used? For more than two sample, we use Kruskal-Wallis one-way ANOVA and Friedman two-way ANOVA. What? For the more than two sample, we use the Kruskal-Wallis one-way ANOVA and Friedman two-way ANOVA. These two tests are also come in a non-parametric test. These are about the test. Now I will stop here. Thank you.